This is the back of the regenerated Boland Mills building, one of two. Would have been big silos here they took down, and this whole area was gone under regeneration. So the first structure of the site dates back to 1830s, so most likely a grain store. In 1845, Thomas Pym acquired the lease for the site, made quick progress in developing an existing building into a fully fledged flour mill, purchased by Patty Boland in 1873. Boland Mills soon expanded by adding more stone mills alongside Ringsend Road. During the Easter Rising 1916, this building was famously occupied by rebel forces, of whom the leader was Éamon de Valera, which it doesn't say. And then this mill stopped production in 2001. So you have it in Braille and Irish. That's the other mill here. The silos, big silos would have been here.
I can imagine.
So just over, what are we now, we're 2025, 1997, so 28 years ago, David Bowie rehearsed here and played a secret gig here, a drum and bass gig, one night, late one night. And also this is used for recording by U2, and they also rehearsed here as well, and the Bolshoi Ballet rehearsed here as well. The building dates back to 1800. It was used as a storehouse for the Lewis Chemical Manure Company and a warehouse for animal feed. It's the Grand Canal Harbour, Grand Canal Dock Harbour. When we zoom in here, we have the archway of the bridge taking the canal out of this basin area, the harbour area, the appropriate word. So it goes from the Liffey through the lock gates, 3 lock gates, and then works its way down here underneath the Ringsend Bridge, and then through the harbour here, through the arch.